Hello guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Grab app, or it's commonly called Grab Taxi. So Grab is basically the Uber of Southeast Asia. It's commonly used to hail a car or a taxi in places where taxis aren't commonly available. Grab is also a bit more expensive than a taxi, but it makes up for it by the experience you get, plus it has more privacy than a taxi. So without further ado, let's get into the app. One thing you'll notice when you first open the app is that there are a lot of different functions that are on the app, like car, food delivery, and load. To keep this video short and simple, we'll only be talking about the car. But then, I'll also want to explain the different functions that you can use in the Grab app at a later video. So please watch the other videos on this channel when they're posted. So when you want to use the car app, you need to click on the car logo at the side there, and then it'll send you to another screen with a map. In that map, you can actually set your target pickup point and your target destination. So for this video, I'll show you how to set your target pickup point and target destination. So to set a pickup point, you need to either move the pin button around to the green circle so that you'll be able to set your pickup point. A good thing to remember if you want to set up your pickup point is that landmarks are a very good place to be picked up at, since it's very easy for the driver to recognize the location you want to be picked up at. Another thing you can do to set your pickup location is by manually typing it on the lower portion box. Like here, I want to be picked up at St. Anthony. So after you've inputted it, it'll show you the different options of the places. So the closest one is St. Anthony Montessori Learning Center. So I just click that, and then it'll set that as the pickup point. So after that, after you've set your pickup point, you need to put your target destination where you want to be dropped off by the driver. So for this trip, I want to be dropped off at Ayala Malls, which is a nearby mall from my friend's house. So once you put that, you need to set your payment option. Since it has two payment options, which is Grab credits, cash, or you can add more, like if you wanted to directly credit from your credit card or directly deduct your balance from your debit card. So for this trip, it will be cash. Then after that, if you have a promo code, it's very nice if you use the promo code to save money. But since I don't have any promo codes to show you today, I'll just be leaving that portion blank. So after that, you want to press the book button at the lower portion of the screen. Once you do that, the app will find drivers within your area which are close so that they'll be able to come pick you up. Once you've been picked up by the driver, you'll be able to see his credentials, like what his name is, or different details about the car, like what color it is and what the plate number is, so that you'll be able to find the car easily. Okay, for this video, I'll end it there. I'll upload another video which shows the entire process of booking the Grab, waiting for the Grab, getting in the Grab, and also getting off the Grab. But that will be at a later video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time when I upload another video. Like this video and subscribe. Share this video with your friends or your parents so that they'll know how to book a Grab. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.